Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about a strategy of implementing design tokens in your project or inside your company. You have to make sure your team is already familiar with the concept of design tokens. So, what you have learned in all previous videos, I am making you more familiar with the concept of design tokens. So you have to do a presentation for them, explain what is design tokens for them, what is the benefits, the challenges, and so on, the process, everything. So make sure they're already familiar with what is design tokens. And after that, you plan for long term. So do we plan to have more than one product under this one design system? Do we have to plan for more theme, like light mode and dark mode, different theming? Is this a white label app? So absolutely we can share it with many clients at the end. So you have to plan good. Yeah, think for long term, think for scalability. And the scalability here actually also related to the process and how you name your tokens. Then you have to pick the best tool for your team. And here I have to mention your team, the best tool for your team, not for you, because I know this is our team and this is our project. So we know what we have to do. So if we are planned for long term, that means maybe we can use token sensitive plugin, not Figma variables, or maybe Figma variables and not token sensitive plugin. So like that. Then you pick the best time to start implementing the design tokens. So to implement design tokens in the middle of the project, it's not something recommended. But maybe at the beginning of the project, this is the best time to implement the design tokens. Maybe if we are doing revamping, if our code really well structured, maybe we can start to implement the design tokens while we are doing a new feature. Yeah, maybe if you have more than one product, so if you're creating a new product, maybe also you can start from here to implement your design tokens. So the time is really important. The best time is really important. And you have to check this with your technical team, all the developers, for example, the technical lead or something like that. Then also, okay, now we already familiar with design tokens. We already do our planning for long term. We decided which tool we're gonna use. This is the best time. Then you have to start small. Then you go bigger scale. So for example, let's try to do only a few components like button, input field, avatar, like that. And you have to test the full process, end-to-end process, from creating design system, creating option tokens, alias tokens, component-specific tokens, export to JSON code, convert to JSON to each platform like iOS, Android, CSS, based on your project, and so on. So start small, after that you scale. Because you will find a lot of challenges at the beginning, so maybe you do some changes in your plan based on that. So once you start to do something small, test end-to-end process, so you will learn a lot, you will avoid a lot of mistakes, you will get a lot of advices, you will have a lot of questions, ask for any tokens expert, check with him, get answers, adjust your plan, and after that start to do more components. And the last thing also is important, is you have to document all the tokens to make it easy for anyone to check as a reference to understand everything. During this journey, you will get some challenges. So communication is hard between designers and developers, or between you and the management, the people that will take a decision to implement design tokens or not. So this is not easy. Also naming, it's not something easy. You have to think a lot while you're taking a decision. What is the best name for us as a team? Yeah, what is the naming structure is okay and good and fit with our project. Also, if you have more than one version, I mean like light mode, dark mode, or more than brand, or more than one theme, this is also not easy. So start to do it. Good luck. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.